we'll look at the idea of multiplying integers. Multiplication is just a way of representing repeated addition. For example, if we have 3 times 5, it means 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 3 5s added together to get 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. But now if we start to look at negative integers when we do multiplication, the question becomes, well, what does negative 5 times 3 mean? So we can't add something a negative amount of times. So it doesn't make sense to add negative 5 3s. But it does make sense to say that you lost 5 points 3 times. So lost 5 represents our negative, and 3 times because we're multiplying by 3. And so if we think about it in context of a game, it does make a little bit more sense. So it means if we look at negative 5 times 3, it's a loss of 15 points. So negative 5 times 3 equals negative 15. So if we use this scenario of the game to think about all the different types of multiplications we can have with integers, positive 2 times positive 5 does give us 10. We gain 5 points twice. Positive 2 times negative 5 will be negative 10. We lost 5 points twice. Negative 2 times positive 5 is negative 10. We've lost 2 points 5 times. Lost 2 points, negative 2, 5 times. Or a gain of 5 points plus 5 is removed negative twice. Either scenario means that we would have to deduct 10 from our score. Negative 2 times negative 5. That's going to equal positive 10 because our loss of 5 points, negative 5, is taken back or removed twice because of negative 2, thereby getting you 10 points. Or your loss of 2 points, negative 2, is taken back 5 times, negative 5, meaning that on the scorecard you would have a gain of 10 points. So if we look at the above examples, we can look that when we multiply two numbers, a positive times a positive is a positive. Plus 2 times plus 5 is 10. A positive times a negative becomes a negative. Positive 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. A negative times a positive also becomes a negative. Negative 2 times positive 5 gave us negative 10. And a negative times a negative becomes a positive. Negative 2 times negative 5 ended up to be positive 10.